All right, so I'm heading to a liquor store here in Germany. It'll be my technically my second liquor store because Mike's I thought was a bar, but it was actually a liquor store or a whiskey tasting bar, which I'll go back to tomorrow. They're having an event tonight, so I end up leaving, but I'm gonna go back tomorrow, try to see if I can at least get one bottle off them for give me a few pours. That was really nice. But heading to a German liquor store, let's see what they have. I'll see if they let me film in there, and if I do, I'll show you what. If not, I'll take a bunch of pictures and then kind of just talk over them later. All right. So this is the outside. This is before I go in, so just kind of see what they have on the outside here. Some nice bottles in the window here. I don't see some Japanese whiskey and stuff. Some Centauri vintage. Some interesting stuff out here. I'll see if they let me film inside, but let's just finish out here. And gonna head in a second here. I'm actually looking for a German whiskey is what I'm gonna be looking for. I'm gonna hope that they have it here at Taro. So let's go in there. All right, so I got permission to film, but only bottles, not people. But of course, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the bottles. So this is like their Scotch area, single Scotches, stuff like that as well. I don't know what those are. Those gold ones up there. If anybody knows, let me know. And just we're gonna kind of scan through these. As you know, first time in a German liquor store. Pretty small, but like really nicely built. Lots of stuff on their shelves, so that's always fun. Now I was talking to the gentleman up front, and there is a German whiskey, and I want to grab a bottle of German whiskey to take back with me. So definitely want to try that. Dalmore, I know I've heard of them. I'm actually, when I go to that whiskey thing, I paid for a special whiskey pour from them as well. So lots of scotches here. Now on the right side of me, we still have some of those scotches, but yeah, this is where they have their bourbons. So they have their bourbon section here. So hey, look, they got all the Blantons. They even got the makers there, some Buffalo Trace. Uncle Nearest make it all the way out here as well. Some Bakers, Whistle Pig, Makers, Bullet, Old Forester. Yep. Oh, look at the Heaven Hill Green Label one. Some Wild Turkey, Jack Daniels, the Written, Sazerac, Woodford, and mixers. And just get a little closer just to kind of see some of the pricing. The pricing, I can't complain. I mean, I would think it'd be more expensive being all the way out here, right? But no. Oh, look, there's small batch. They even have Shanks here. Jameson 18. Some Jameson stuff as well, and Dingle. And then here we are, Irish whiskeys as well. I like Dingle. Dingle's up there. Funny name, but actually not a bad pour. Well, guys, is there anything I should be looking at, like some of the scotches and stuff like that? I don't know much about them. I'm hoping to learn more about them over the next few days as I go to that event and be able to pick something up from there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. But ooh, look at this one. Dallas DHU Distillery. Not heard of them. Gordon and MacPhail. 7,900. But look at that beautiful box it comes in. That's a beautiful box, right? And last part here, hey, some Lafrogue, Macallan, Tamdu. Tamdu's actually, I've had some pours of theirs. I actually like some other pours. Some interesting stuff for sure. Let's see what they have on this barrel. And this kind of scan up here as well. Sorry if I'm going fast. It's just kind of just getting the overall picture. My wife and daughters are waiting for me, so I'm trying to hurry up a little bit. And at the same time, I still want to kind of get a bottle of that German whiskey. But Tomatul, is that what that's called? Ooh, cigar malt one. Interesting. If I wasn't at the beginning of my trip, I'd probably pick it up. Hopefully they have it over there. I'm going to take a picture of that to kind of remind myself. And here's kind of the pricing on it. So not too bad at all. That's something I'll be definitely hunting down. I like my cigar blend, so that'd be interesting to see what that is. All right, we're going to go to the next section. All right, I'm in their other area. They have a little bit of Japanese, but this is what I'm looking for. This is their German area. So I was trying to debate which one to get. Do I get two small ones or, this one that's, they're 12-year? Just so I can get if I'm going to try one, I want to try a good one. But then I saw this, the Oktoberfest edition, finished in beer cask. So definitely gonna get through that one. That's the one I'm gonna be grabbing. But I did want to show you guys something else really quick. So tequila is becoming more popular around the world. So here you are. There's their little tequila section. But if you're a Fortaleza fan, they have some Fortaleza, the still strength. But that's not the only one. They also have all these. And I was talking to the gentleman. He said they did have the winter blend. I just missed it. But anybody hunting that, come to Germany. You can find it here.